also have lots and lots of options like scene frame or scene selection, frame selection. Let's click on that. The actual selection will be frame. Let's click on the object, which is the white cube, and if you press on Command F or Control Command F, if you're on Mac, or if you're on Windows, Control F. Let's click on that. Automatically, it will recenter and zoom in the object that was selected on these layers. I don't know if this is layers, mini layer widget. You call this mini layer widget. You can move it up, you can move it down if you want. So there is also layer order inside of this implementation. Okay, so let's click on that. You will see. Okay, so that's one thing. The navigation, there is also a context sensitive properties panel here. You can this is changing upon what is selected. For example, if just going to select here, so meron nagbabago dito. Yan o. Nakita nyo nagbago siya. So I just selected the canvas, and automatically it changes into other properties that is available to you. Okay, you can add shapes because right now we are in the canvas. Okay, and also one context sensitive panel is this on the right side properties panel. Why? Because as you would see, if I click on the scene, kung click ko yung scene, this is changing. So if I click on the actual cube itself, you would see nagbago rin siya. So this is the properties panel on which nagbabago-bago rin siya. You have lots and lots of options here. For example, this is categorized by appearance, combine, shape, transform, and even repeat. So it has like lots and lots of properties that we will be playing today for you to explore. And also, if you have like tips you want to do, to share, feel free to do so in our comment section. Okay, so how can we also prevent this? Para saan to? How is this frame? There is a frame here on which how can I disable it? I think if you click here, no. So I'm still learning also. Where can I disable this? I don't know. I think this one is available here on the artboard. You can click on show frame. So this will enable you to do like a free form, there is no frame. Diba? Kunyari gumagano kayo minsan. If you're into photography, there's such thing as doing it on a frame. So right now, I can disable this. You can choose the actual frame preset. For example, if you want to create like a composition for a YouTube thumbnail, you can easily do so. A flyer, a poster, that's how easy it is. So in our purpose, we're just going to disable the show frame. Okay, let's disable that so we don't be constrained on the actual frame. So that one is the scene properties. You have the environment. If you want to change the color of the environment, you just have to click here the fill. For example, I want this to be on white. So if I want, I can just easily do so. That's how easy it is. Okay, or if you want, you can do like a radial background or even a linear background. Okay, that's how easy it is for you to switch. Let's go here to solid. Let's just make it white. In the scene panel, we have the third option, which is the camera, on which you can change. For example, if you want like isometric view, something like that, you can easily do so. Okay, that's one thing. Another one would be you can add like the distortion to the isometric view, or even on the paano natin nalalaman. As you would see here, you would see that if I plug in the distortion, you will see some distortion on the isometric view. Nakita nyo? Nagkakaroon siya ng distortion. You can easily do so if you want, but if it's something that you are intended to do so, let's say like a fish eye lens, you can easily do so using that. Let's click on parallel, and you would see that I can easily like add also distortion. Parallel would be the default. Let's go to perspective, and as you would see, this is mimicking how we use the camera, like the POV. You can easily do so by adjusting the focal length. Mine, I'll just set this to 50. Mind you, again, this one is an impromptu. Impromptu exploration. Kumaga, ito, hindi ko po pinaghandaan to. I'm just seeing how the application works. And